Hello. Welcome to the Angular.net tutorial demonstration. This project is available on GitHub at github.com/workcontrolgit/AngularNet tutorial. Building modern web applications with Angular.net and OAuth 2.0. This is a complete tutorial series showing how to build secure, scalable enterprise applications. The stack includes Angular 20, .NET 10, and Duende IdentityServer. Learn the cat pattern, client, API resource, and token service architecture. This is a free tutorial with complete source code available on GitHub. For full stack developers looking to master modern web development. Now let us begin a quick walkthrough of the application user interface. Navigating to dashboard. Dashboard loaded. Main navigation menu visible with employees, departments, positions, and salary ranges options. Opening employees menu. Employee submenu expanded. Showing list and create options. Clicking on list to view all employees. Employee list page displayed. Showing table with all employee records. Opening departments menu. Departments submenu expanded. Showing list and create options. Clicking on list to view all departments. Departments list page displayed. Showing all department records in a table. Opening positions menu. Positions submenu expanded. Showing list and create options. Clicking on list to view all positions. Positions list page displayed. Showing all available positions. Opening salary ranges menu. Salary ranges submenu expanded. Showing list and create options. Clicking on list to view all salary ranges. Salary ranges list page displayed. Showing all configured salary ranges. Opening account menu. Account menu opened. Showing login option. Clicking login. Login page displayed. Form with username and password fields visible. Entering username Ashton1. Entering password. Submitting login credentials. Login successful. Now authenticated with create permissions. Opening employees menu to create a new employee. Employee submenu opened. Create option now available. Clicking create to add a new employee. Employee creation form displayed. Ready to enter new employee details. Opening departments menu to create a new department. Departments submenu opened. Create option visible. Clicking create to add a new department. Department creation form displayed. Ready to enter new department information. Opening positions menu to create a new position. Positions submenu opened. Create option available. Clicking create to add a new position. Position creation form displayed. Ready to define new position. Opening salary ranges menu to create a new range. Salary ranges submenu opened. Create option visible. Clicking create to add a new salary range. Salary range creation form displayed. Ready to configure new salary range. Opening account menu to log out. Account menu opened. Log out option visible. Clicking log out to end session. Logged out successfully. Return to public view. Clicking here link to return to home. Walkthrough complete. All navigation and authentication flows verified successfully.